Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about fast Fourier transform. This fast Fourier transform is shortly spelled as FFT. We can shortly call it as FFT. It is used to compute the discrete Fourier transform. We can easily compute discrete Fourier transform by fast Fourier transform. It makes use of symmetry and periodicity properties. It also uses Tudel factor Wn, which is used to reduce the DFT computation. That is that complex additions and multiplications can be avoided by this fast Fourier transform. It also provides speed increase factors. This DFT, our normal DFT requires n square complex multiplications and n into n minus 1 complex additions for large values of n. For large values we have n square complex multiplications and n into n minus 1 complex additions. In FFT, the number of complex multiplications required is n by 2 log n to the base 2, and the number of complex addition required is n log n to the base 2. Next we can see about radix to FFT. In radix to FFT, this is an approach which depends upon the decomposition of n-point DFT into smaller DFT. Next you can see radix to FFT. This radix to FFT depends upon the decomposition of n-point DFT into successively smaller DFTs. Next, if n is factored as n is equal to R1 into R2 etc. into RL, where R1 is equal to R2 is equal to RL, where R1 is equal to R2 is equal to RL, then implies n is equal to R power n, where R is the size of the DFT. This R is called the radix of FFT algorithm. This R is called the radix of FFT algorithm. Next we can see about the Tudel factor. A important thing in this fast Fourier transform is the Tudel factor. So next we can see about Tudel factor. This Tudel factor is represented by Wn. Wn is the Tudel factor. This Tudel factor is otherwise also called as phase factor. It is represented by Wn, which is equal to e power minus j 2 pi divided by n. E power minus j 2 pi divided by n. So we can write the discrete Fourier transform formula as x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into Wn power n k, where k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. This is the formula for DFT. Similarly, IDFT formula can be written as x of n is equal to 1 by n into summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k into wn power minus nk, where n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So using this formula we can compute in FFT algorithm. That's all. Thank you.